What's up? What's up, my loves? How y'all doing? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and welcome to my bomb ass unboxing world. Today, guys, we will be tackling BoxyCharm base box for the month of November. I will leave the premium box up top as well as in the description below, just in case you guys missed it. So please check it out for me. It would make me feel so happy. So guys, if you want to see what's in November's BoxyCharm base box, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which variation you got. Okay, loves, welcome. As I said before, I am your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole. Today, guys, we are tackling BoxyCharm's base box for the month of November. Now, before I get into that, the spoilers for December for the premium box were, I think, 2 palettes. I will try to find the pictures and put them somewhere around here. The base box spoilers for December, the choice items were not really that good, and the Luxe choices really sucked. So I am glad that I canceled Luxe because I would have been very upset to get those choices for my Luxe box. I'm hoping that we at least got the Natasha Denona palette in this box this month. If not, ooh, girl, I'm gonna be so upset. Anywho, guys, today for my drink, I am drinking some water, just regular Aquafina. So we're gonna take a dance break and a drink break. Oh. And y'all know we have to do our shout outs. So I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you. I do. Now let's get some specs and go ahead and bust this baby open. So this, guys, is the base box. This one is $25 a month. We're supposed to get 5 full-size beauty, makeup, whatever products. Each month, there is a customization or like a choice day where they let you choose one product in here, and it's supposed to have a value of at least $125. So, yeah, we're going to test that out and see if that is true. So, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo. You'll take a dance break and a drink break. When we open this baby up, it's BoxyCharm in red like that. The theme for this month is BoxyCharm Harvest. On the back here, we have some prices as well as product description. Also the variation number, which I'm going to tell y'all at the end. I do know that my box's weight was 1.1 pounds, which I saw a lot of people's box weights for their base box was 1.1 pound. So I don't really know what that is about, but that's my weight, and let's start to dig in. So first up, guys, out of the box, I am pulling from Alamar Cosmetics, and this is the long wear sticky pigment eye base, and that is what she is looking like. I did see this as a possible variation item, and on here it says that this is a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It also works as a glitter glue. Okay, cool. So this is the name of it. I know I don't want to butcher it, but it is an eye primer, guys. This retails for $15. And let's see if it has a seal. It doesn't. So I'll take a little bit out just to see the color of it. And that's what it looks like that. And then we just kind of rub it out. It is thick. It's thick. And it's not really too sticky. I think it would make a nice canvas for some eyeshadow. We're going to have to test this out to see. I think that it will make a nice base, but it is pretty sheer. So maybe it is just designed to be like a glue to kind of bind it to your eye. And like I said, guys, this is $15. Next up, my loves, from Yinsa is this Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. And this is what the box is looking like right here. And on the back here, it says it's formulated with 8 Super Orange Essence. This gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates and exfoliates, leaving your skin supple and radiant. It's a nourishing mask and face polish in one, resurfaces and smooths the skin. It's great for sensitive skin, provides a healthy, radiant glow, and it also helps to minimize the appearance of pores. Alrighty, pumpkin boosts collagen and turmeric is going to soothe your skin. So you're going to apply a smooth, thin layer on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage in a circular motion with warm water and then rinse and use it 3 to 4 times a week. So this is what it looks like, guys. That is like a lot. And let's open it up and see. I don't know about Yinsa. Oh, the tube is very cute. In here you get 2.5 fluid ounces of product. That is how it is looking. Let's open it. Let's see if it's full. This much in there, guys. And let's see, it does have a seal, so I will not open this, but I'm not sure of what I'm gonna do with this just yet. I may put this in a giveaway for one of you guys. This is the Yinsa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. That is like a mouthful for me. And this, guys, retails for $45. Okay, now my last video with the premium box, BoxyCharm put in this night detox cream that retailed for $125. Although I'm very excited to get it and to try it, I don't think I would repurchase $125 night detox. So I don't know where to get these prices from, but $45 for this, I don't know if I would repurchase this either. So okay, so next up we have from Peach and Lily. This is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser right there. I love the packaging, love the color. Let's open it up and take it out. So this is the Deep Cleanse and Soothe Gel Cleanser. You do get 100 milliliters of product, guys. And let me read off the card because this is too small. So let's see what it says about this. This says, cleansing properly can be the difference between healthy skin and problem-prone skin. This gentle, sulfate-free cleanser contains no harmful ingredients and keeps your skin barrier intact. So you can start your routine right with skin that feels deeply cleansed, refreshed, and hydrated. And this, my loves, retails for $28. And this one is pretty full. It is sealed up. I will not open this because I always can use a cleanser, so I'm happy about that. So next up, guys, is this product right here, the Milk Mascara. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara, and this was my choice item, and it's in the shade Aces, which I think is black. Let me cut it open. It has a little tape on it. Ooh, I love the packaging. It is beautiful. So this is the Milk Makeup Mascara, Kush Mascara. I've been wanting to try this, but I think it's like $24, $28. Yeah, it's $24. So I'm like, ooh, maybe I'll get lucky with it in a box. And sure enough, look at that. We got it. And I'm not going to open this one because I do have a few mascaras that I'm going through. I wonder if they have like the bristles on here. It doesn't. But it does show you like a nice before and after, which my lashes never look like that. But I am excited for this. And like I told you guys, it retails for $24. Last up, we have this in bubble wrap. The Natasha Denona Peak Palette. Oh my God, we got the palette! And this one was exclusive to only BoxyCharm. So I am happy to be one of the many charmers that was going to receive that. It was not guaranteed for all charmers, but most. And I'm glad that I am in that lucky number. This is what the palette looks like. I love it. Nice fall palette. I can use this really any time of the year, but it's just giving me fall vibes with these colors here. And this is a 5 shadow palette right here, guys. There's 4 matte shades and 1 shimmer, and we're gonna swatch it. This is what it looks like right there, guys. And let's go ahead and swatch them. I love Natasha Denona's palettes. They are just a little too pricey for your girl. So whenever I can get them in a box, I am really excited. All right, that's what they look like on my fingers, guys. And that is the palette right there. This is the shimmer shades and the 4 matte shades. I think they are very pretty. I definitely know that this is going to work really good on my eyes. It's going to be buildable, so I'm very excited about this palette. And y'all know it retails for $48, and that's why your girl hasn't gotten it. Oh, and also, guys, they give us this Natasha Denona coupon for 25% off. The code is right there if y'all want to go and check it out. So that was our final product in this month's BoxyCharm base box. We're going to do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Milk Makeup this Kush waterproof mascara. From Natasha Denona, this BoxyCharm exclusive Peak palette. From Peach and Lily, this Power Calming Hydrating Gel Cleanser. From Yinsa, this Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. And then from Alamar Cosmetics, this eye base right here. So these 5 products right here, my loves. I do not have the total, but I will add it all up and put it somewhere right here for you guys. Also, guys, I do have variation number 33 right there. So my final thoughts on this box was I'm pretty okay with this box. This one is not the best box that I've received, but it's not the worst either. Out of the 5 products, I will definitely use 4. I'm definitely going to use this palette. We're going to try this eye base out, which I don't know about that. We'll have to see with that. The Peach and Lily cleanser, as well as the mascara. So I'm pleased with these 4 products here. So 4 out of 5 is actually not a bad box. And I do have 2 makeup products out of the 5, which y'all know I like 3 out of 5. But 2 is not bad because we do have an eye base. So I could definitely consider this to be like a makeup product, I guess. I don't know. But overall, I think that the box was pretty decent. BoxyCharm did good this month, y'all. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm happy that my birthday month with BoxyCharm was a success. I really am. So if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, go to the damn lion's den. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com. Boo, you know what I'm saying. We're going to give BoxyCharm for the month of November for their base box a whopping 3.5 to 4. I was pleasantly surprised with this, guys. I'm very excited to receive this palette and to get some good use out of it, as well as this mascara. So let me know in the comments down below what variation you got, and let me know if you liked your box or not. Let's talk about it in the comments, guys. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my family, please do so now. Also head over to Instagram and Twitter. Follow me there as well. All of those links will be down below, as well as BoxyCharm's link. And that's all that I have, loves. I will see you guys in the comments and on my next video. You guys be blessed. Stay safe. Wear your mask. Bye.